Welcome to RCBS Reviews. Today we bring you a review of a product that was sent us by AKK. This is a 5.8 GHz transmitter with MMCX connector and a mounting pattern of 30.5 by 30.5. Please subscribe our channel and help us getting better products and so we can do better reviews. Inside the card box we have the VTX, and let's see on taking this off, we also have the cables with JST connector and the other connectors to connect the power supply and to connect the audio, video and smart port to your camera or flight controller. Inside we have the pigtail with the MMCX connector and an SMA connector, as you can see. At last we have the manual, instruction manual in English, with the all informations that you need to have about this product. As you can see, the layout and technical informations. The input voltage is 7 to 24 volts, supports smart audio and pit mode. That nowadays is very important that VTX support that features. Also have a supply of 5 volts if you want to supply your camera from the VTX with a 0.3 amp max output. The power of transmission of this VTX is 35 milliwatts, 200 milliwatts and 500 milliwatts, and more than the most VTX, it also supports 800 milliwatts. That is better for long range applications if you want to do a long range quad, or if you want to do freestyle in abandoned building or a place with a lot of trees that are blocking your video signal. You can put your transmission power to the maximum of 800 milliwatts. This VTX has a nice building quality. On the back you don't have almost anything. Over the top you have the dissipation, MMCX connector, button switch between band, frequency and power mode. Over here we have an LED that displays the informations that are selected on your VTX. Over here we have microphone built in, so if you don't have a camera with microphone you can use the microphone from the VTX. And as you can see over here we have the connections that we have on this connector that supplies our from top to the bottom. We can see that we have over here the power supply that can be 7 to 24 volts. Then we have the cable so we can connect to our flight controller or camera, so we can have the audio, video and smart port signals to our transmitter. From top to the bottom also we have video signal, that is yellow wire, ground, 5 volts that is black, 5 volts to the cam is red, and the green that is smart audio. So if you want to use a camera with audio, you don't have the one wire to connect to your camera, you must use the built-in microphone. Now it's powered on, and as you can see is flashing between the different informations. Right now is F8 and 1 is the power stage that we have selected. By pressing this button you can choose your frequency. One click changes frequency 1. If you will, by this 2 seconds, you change your band. As you can see, I'm changing my bands. Mine is F1, 5740. If I press it for 4 seconds, I will choose power output of my VTX. One is 25 milliwatts, two is 200 milliwatts, 500 milliwatts, or 800 milliwatts. Long press again by 4 seconds and it goes back to the same menu, and the configuration it's easy. Alongside this VTX that has a very good presentation, it's very good and reliable. I'm flying with one of this on one of my quads, and no issues, and I don't have any kind of losses of signal. I also came with this VTX some RPSMA antennas, mushroom antennas, that you can see that are short, and we can use to our quads, because if you want to have a short antenna you should consider this one. This is ML2, and I will leave the link to these products on the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing our channel, give us a like. Any question, please let your comment below. Until next time, bye.